Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this mini massage gun from Silvercrest. Targeted massage to activate and regenerate muscles, powerful trigger point massage with LED power light. With 4 different heads, Leon technology, ideal for traveling, outdoors, after sports or at work. With 5 speed settings, up to 6 hours of use with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the storage bag. Blue, Silvercrest logo, with a handle, manual, the cable, other accessories, and the massage gun. Included we have the Type-C cable. You need to charge this massage gun. The length it is 80 cm, Type A to Type C. We have 4 different heads for use on different muscle groups. The ball head for small muscle areas and muscle groups like upper arm. The conical head for deep muscle tissue and targeted spot massages like sole of the foot. The U-shaped head for deep muscle tissue in the lower back area, excluding the spine or the Achilles tendon. The flat head for larger areas all over the body like the thighs. The heads are with a soft silicone cover for use with massage oil. I like that. And of course we have the massage gun. With the on-off button and the set intensity level. Press and hold. It is on, we can see in the battery indicator. First level. Press to connect one of these heads. Second level. Third. 4. And 5. And 1 again. Press and hold to turn off. It is very comfortable. Very friendly to my hand, nice design. And of course here we have the Type-C port. You need to charge before the first use. You can do that from a power bank. Power adapter 5V 2A. From your car, it is your choice. Inside it has a 7.4V 1800 mAh battery. The 5 speed settings, it goes up to 3000 RPM, brushless motor, quiet motor, and it has an integrated automatic shut-off after 15 minutes. So let's wait until it will fully charge and test it. Fully charge it, unplug. Oh, that is very relaxing, especially at this position. I think here it is okay. Third level. Or the ball head, it depends in which position of your body you want to use this massage gun. This compact yet powerful device is designed to help you relieve muscle tension, improve circulation and speed up recovery, all in a portable form factor. It's small enough to fit in your bag, making it easy to take with you wherever you go, whether you are at the gym, at the office or traveling, This device is perfect for on-the-go relief. Don't let its size fool you, this mini massage gun packs a punch. It offers multiple intensity levels to help you target sore muscles, knots and tension with the right amount of force for your needs. Despite its power, the massage gun operates quietly, allowing you to use it without disturbing others. This makes it ideal for use in a quieter environments like the office or at home. With a rechargeable battery provides extended use on a single charge, so you can enjoy multiple sessions without constantly needing to recharge. The device comes with a selection of massage heads, each designed for different muscle groups and types of relief. This customization helps you get the most out of your massage experience. The ergonomic handle and simple controls makes this mini massage gun easy to use, even for beginners. It's designed for comfort and convenience, ensuring a stress-free experience every time. If you are looking for an affordable, portable solution for muscle recovery and relaxation, this mini massage gun is definitely worth considering. It's a great addition to your wellness routine, helping you feel your best whether you are at home or on the move. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more health and wellness product reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.